Alright, hey everybody, good afternoon, and welcome to tonight's free video, Trade the Markets. I see the S&P's here at about 2104 or so. That's about 30 handles off of that last pivot high. Came in on the 19th of May, back at around 2134 or so. This is this is what we've been looking for. We've been talking about for a little while. This thing to sit down. For a couple of reasons, I got to tell you, I don't think we've seen the lows for the week. I'm not saying it's the end of the world type stuff or anything like that. No, but I am saying that I have been looking for a little pullback, and I'm looking for more. I'm looking for more. Um, and really, I kind of think it's all about the dollar to some extent. If you go look at the dollar, and I'll take us over there for just a sec, real quick. This is kind of telling the story. It's all about the dollar. We were talking about this in the trade room, and we were looking for a test of this May 5 high right here, which was at like 95 and some change or whatever, something like that. First time in there, back on the 20th of May, you can see we came in and backed off a little bit for a couple days and then challenged it, rallied through it, and closed above it. All right. With that, beating that May 5 high, I'm looking for a test up here on these 98 halves. All right. If that's the case, then that continued strength in that dollar is going to put pressure, I believe, pressure on the stocks, which is going to have the S&Ps continue to pull back for a couple of days. Now, as money was coming out of the stocks today, it clearly was finding its way into the treasuries. I would look for a little higher follow through in the treasuries throughout the week, and also in the dollar, but yet more weakness, I believe, in the stock index futures, such as like the S&P futures, down into. I got a kind of a target objective down around 2085. We'll see 2082, 2085, somewhere in there. See if we can pull back a little bit more. So, all right, let me hop over to the premium video and kind of go through a number of things. We got gold and crude and all kind of stuff. Gold came off pretty nicely today. Crude, it also same thing, and I've got more downside in crude, more downside in gold as the dollar continues to firm. So hope this helps. You guys have a good trade. Nice evening. Catch you at the next update. Good night.